Kababayan LA, binibigyan po namin kayo ng dahilan para maging proud na kayo po ay Pilipino. Today is no different. We're gonna meet Samantha Soto. Siya po ay ating kababayang manunulat, first Filipina to be published by Random Publishing for her book Before
Ever After.
Before Ever After. Hello and welcome to the show.
It's great to be here.
Yes, and what's interesting about this is Samantha is not really an author. Hindi siya talaga manunulat. Paano ba naisulat tong libro na ito?
Nako.
Mahaba ba?
I always say na product to ng Manila traffic.
Okay.
Kasi I would bring my son to school. I'm a full-time mom.
Okay.
So I would bring my son to school. Yung bahay namin, it's in Parañaque. Yung school niya nasa Quezon City.
Okay, medyo malayo yun.
Medyo malayo, diba? So if 3 hours lang naman siya sa school, yung drive 1.5 hours.
Okay.
So what I would do, instead of driving back home, I'd wait for him dun ako sa isang coffee shop across from the school.
Okay.
And so for 1 school year, sabi ko dahil wala naman akong magawa habang nag-aantay dun for 3 hours, ano kayang gagawin ko? So naisip ko, sige, kahit wala akong experience sa writing, try lang, di ba? So, naisip ko magsulat ng libro.
Ayan.
At yun yung naging Before Ever
After. What is the book about?
Okay, so it's a love story that's set in Europe, and it tells the story of Shelley. Isa siyang widow, and her husband died 2 years ago, and that's where the story takes place. Ang nangyari, one day, her husband, stranger knocks at her door who looks exactly like her husband. And he comes with news. Sabi niya, buhay yung husband mo, and nakatira siya ngayon sa Boracay.
Ayan. Grabe, kinikilabutan na ako.
Okay.
From Europe to Boracay.
Exactly.
Okay, tapos?
And the kicker is that guy who says that her husband is alive, also claims to be her 32-year-old husband's 32-year-old grandson.
Aba, medyo para nagiging complicated na siya.
Okay, so
tapos?
So basically, the story is told in a flashback form. It takes readers on a journey across Europe and across different historical periods.
Saan mo naman nakuha ang idea at ang inspirasyon to write about something like this?
Okay, I used to live in Europe. I used to live in the Netherlands. Nag-aaral ako doon. And since that time, bumabalik-balik ako din para magbakasyon. And at one point, nag-backpack pa nga ako around na walang kapera-pera.
Okay.
Kung saan lang natutulog. And yun yung naging inspiration din for the places na dinadaanan ng mga characters sa book.
Okay.
But the present-day narrative of the book actually takes place on a flight to the Philippines. So specifically on a flight to Boracay. So syempre, represent.
Medyo very interesting talaga. But yung pagka-love story niya, do you attribute that to being Filipino na tayo, very romantic, ganyan?
I would think so. Syempre, hindi natin, I am a Filipino, but I wrote the book in English. So syempre, dala-dala ko yung pagka-Pilipina ko doon sa story, pati sa humor ng story.
And how easy or difficult was it to convince Random Publishing to publish this book?
Okay. I owe that to my agent. Kasi bago ka ma-publish dito sa US, kailangan mo ng literary agent. So yun yung first step. Kailangan ka maghanap ng literary agent.
And some writers call an agent first and ask for budget before they start writing. But in your case, you completed the book first?
Yes,
before?
Because for fiction, for works of fiction, you need a complete manuscript. So yung sinasabi mo is for non-fiction. So yun yung nagsa-start sa proposal, and then that's
mga pitches, ganyan, diba? Okay,
so pag fiction, kailangan tapos na yung libro mo.
How long did it take for you to sell it?
I always say, to sell it?
To sell.
My agents pitched it to publishers and sold it in about a month or so.
Wow, 1 month lang? Ang galing naman.
Magaling siya.
Siguro napakaganda talaga ng storya. Where can we get a copy of the book?
Okay, the book is available at Barnes & Noble. You can also get it through Amazon. It's also available in Nook format. On the Kindle,
iPad.
Yes, exactly. And you can also order it through Philippine Expressions.
Ayan. Philippine Expressions is the Filipino bookstore here in Southern California.
Yes.
Also, ang book, at one point, naging number 5 sa bestsellers list ng Barnes & Noble. Congratulations to you.
Maraming
Working
salamat.
on a second book?
Yes, I am.
How about offers to put this book into a movie?
Oh my gosh.
Baka dapat. Star Cinema, ano ba?
Paging Mother Lily.
But anyway, congratulations to you and more
salamat.
power.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. All right, we'll be back for more in Kababayan LA. This time, Hollywood News naman po tayo. Don't forget to support Sam Soto Before Ever After, available in all major bookstores.